Good morning, everybody, professors and students. Welcome to today's presentation on technology. The title for the presentation will be How is Technology Changing Us? With our server, Monica Arriaga. The subject for this presentation will be for Composition 2 with Dr. Robert Bach. The due date for this assignment is December the 6th of 2024. This is going to be a presentation based on the research argument that was previously directed to a professor. Is going to be a compilation and a distillation of the final work, which we invite you as the public to have a deeper look into our work and have a closer look to what our work has been and how can it help you out to get more knowledge on the topic, and hopefully this will be a topic fascinating for everybody. As you know, knowledge. What is technology for us? It can be described as the application of scientific knowledge to achieve practical goals. How is technology changing us? After with its advancements in life, the impact has been changing and molding our everyday lives, consolidated of two aspects: the drawbacks of making life easier and the disadvantage when we are stripped out of our daily routine. This is nothing else but how is technology applied to our lives, what is it doing, and what has brought to us as a humankind, which is nothing else but the easier ways to achieve our goals. The first body paragraph of our research paper is nothing else but related to the misleading label that we have placed for technology. And this label stays in the category among harmful tools that prevail in our lives. But beyond the fact of achieving comfortable lifestyles, there is a damaging truth of oversuing technology. We have a picture of basically how is technology connecting us all over the world with family members, and how is it used through ways to achieve certain goals, such as communication, innovation for our work style, and becoming even more abroad of the topic and becoming better at what we do. To reinforce what we have previously mentioned, we have the citation from Harrison and Budka 2015, which indicates socio-technical imagery is defined as collectively held and institutionally stabilized and publicity performed visions of desirable futures, animated by shared understanding of forms of social life and social order attainable through and supportive of advances in science and technology. This will mean that the increase in the development of technology allows us to open our minds, but not leaving behind the aspects of addiction, overcoming our actions that technology brings to us through manipulation and the test of theories. In body paragraph number 2, where we mention Harvard 2024, we might find that the concerning aspects of technology involve children, such the distraction from imagination and creativity. This will be shaping the children's mind in a way that they will forget the actual nourishment needed to reinforce mental and intellectual skills. Not only being the only concern, but we also include the safety of the children when internet becomes an open door for strangers and possible criminals seeking for the innocence of our children. To reinforce this aspect, we have the citation from Harvard, which indicates the supposed deterioration of a person's mental intellectual state, especially viewed as the result of the overconsumption of material, now particularly online content, considered to be trivial or unchallenging. Issue to be considered as of major importance that is involving the growth of our children and the safety of them. Body paragraph number 4. The disclaiming of the advantages of technology is also important, from the joy of reaching the sharing of communication across the world to the innovation of communities. The prevalence of a higher number of issues regarding the innovation of technology is almost inevitable, touching the topic of dangerous tools for who consumes it. We have an image to the side which indicates how everybody is doing something related that might be connecting to the other. But these people might as well forget about the facts or implications that it might involve when it's not being used as responsible as it should be. In body paragraph number 9, we mention being. The more technology is embraced, is the more we become dependent. Such dependency can be related to the lack of management of the usage of it. In his work, he mentions that instant gratification plays a role in making social media addictive. Everyone wants an instant reward, and social media provides it. The trick for technology to occupy space in life comes in a customer rewards, which is something that captivates everybody's attention and everybody seeks it. As we approach the ending of our presentation, we make an invitation for everybody that is paying the audience to have a deeper look into the topic of technology and to have an open mind to various numbers of sources that will maybe provide a little bit more of a landscape to the topic, and that will open eyes for some people and it will bring new information for everybody. In the conclusion, we have that as well, and although technology has its flaws and weakness from addictions to lack of awareness and distance from social interaction, we personally believe that technology has promising room for improvement and a way to overcome its effects. The goal of nature of humans is to evolve, and so is for technology. But management of the consumption of technology must be implemented to prevent harmful concerns that relate to everybody's person and that will make a better world for everybody. Thank you everybody for listening. We all have the reference page which indicates the sources, but not limited to these sources, in our final work and research paper found in our Canvas area. We're going to have the full research paper, which is going to contain the full information of the topic. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.